This is the Toyota CHR R-Tuned, a 600 horsepower, race-ready SEMA build based on the reliable family SUV parked outside of your local Costco. Toyota invited me to Willow Springs for a few laps in the CHR R-Tuned to see what it was all about.
I think I got it for you. Okay. Just check it real quick.
You okay there? Do you need to turn it on?
It should be. It's already on. It should be okay.
I think I got it.
Yeah. Okay. Can you hear him fine? Can I?
Copy 1 2 1 2.
Yes. Okay.
Yo.
Can you hold this? Okay. We're gonna set you up first. Okay. Got it. Quick. There you go. How's your feet position?
That's okay.
Are you sure?
Actually, can we move it 1 notch forward? There we go. That's it.
Are you sure? Pause it.
1 more notch. There you go. That's it.
So when you grab this, let's go.
Go ahead,
I was gonna say push a button. But that's about double the speed that you need. It's like driving your girlfriend to yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, super easy. Nice control.
That's what I
See? There's always another side.
Alright, cool. There we go.
It's gonna get stuck.
Get stuck.
Yeah, you feel better when you drive. It's just like driving yourself. Super easy to drive. When you get out there, you're like, oh, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, just like yourself, right?
Yeah, just like yourself.
It's like yourself's not going to take off. I just kicked your mic. Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, here. Like,
Wait a minute. So one time, I'm helping a girl get in the car to do this, and so I reached up and I grabbed the ring, but I thought it was her ring, it was her earrings.
Oh, Jesus.
I ripped it right out of her ears. So I didn't bleed her, but it really hurt her.
No kidding.
I thought it was a ring, it was tucked up around her earring.
Alright, here we go. Now we're good.
Super bad. Super bad. So,
Alright, good.
I thought it was 4 because I was 2 rings. Yeah. 2 rings like this. So right here, and I'm like, oh,
That's not usually the ones I've got a 10.
There's one area in turn 8 that, like, one area in turn 8 that gets like, there's a lot of windows. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, you're good to go anytime. Yeah. Wait, hold it.
Good?
Okay. Yeah, we're good to go. Yeah, see, it's just like a normal car.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's no big deal. Nothing here. Yeah, super easy. Yeah, you got it. Just all the way down, accelerate. You got it. Let's gas it up. Let's
All
go.
right.
Have
Give it.
fun.
Wow, the grip's incredible. So fast. I'm used to cars like waiting to turn, so I turn in so early for everything. It's so bizarre.
Well, anything over about 75, you have aero grip. There you go. Yeah, you have aero grip about 75, which is about turn in for 2. 8 is just you roll right. It's designed to do about 150 around 8.
Yeah, it's one of those things where it's like I'm so used to not a non-aero car that it's like I turn in so early for everything. Thank you.
You did good. Yeah, I wish I'd have a half a day with you. You and I would all.
Oh yeah.
you had a good lap last time.
A tentative lap. It's better than a balls out one in this car.
That's okay. We just want to, you know, we want to be nice and smooth and.
All right. Cool. There we go. So you'll like that better later. All right.
Okay, let's wait for Sean for a moment. Got me on the radio there?
Yep.
Okay, cool. We'll wait for Sean. Okay, we're good to go.
All right. Let's do it.
Nice and easy on that.
There we go.
You're fine, man.
There we go.
Yep, beautiful. Yep, second there. Beautiful. First gear, what do you see for that? Going on the left side. First gear. Gas it up.
Do it.
going down to 5, you brake a little bit, like a little bit early on this car, then let it go, use the curve on the inside for good grip, follow the 3 cones around the inside, get on the power super early, and go to 4th and flat right up and over at 6. Yeah, it was good, you did great.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's fun when you roll into 2, right? It's just this massive amount of grip right there.
I know, it's so nice to drive.